Now I've got two gates with this type of lock in. It's a very thin lock which is inside the tubular steel frame. What happened, this handle was jammed but the inside there, the catch, was stuck out and I couldn't open the gate. I couldn't lift it out, couldn't do anything, but I did manage to prise it out. Now this is the problem one that I had. As you see, the lock goes through there and the handle, and what it was, I couldn't get at it because this is in the way for security on this side, and it was closed. But from the inside I managed to push the lock out. Now this is the lock that I took out. It's been in there for about 5 years. The problem is in here, I found, you'll see when the lock, the handle, you see the way that has popped up and it's jammed there, which has left this sticking out slightly, so you can't open the door, and the handle then is jammed and you can't do anything with it. But what it appears to be, there's a tiny piece on the end there which has snapped off, and you can free it by, as I said, by getting something thin in between and pushing it out, and I'll do it with my finger to simulate it. Once that is up, it's free again and it'll pop down, but it'll keep on jamming. So this is what I've done. This is all with pre-drilled holes. I just snipped out a section there. What I'm going to do is take that screw out. What I'm going to do is take that screw out there, put this behind it, and see if that works. So that's it working. It's not jamming, and that's coming right back, so it doesn't come out of the frame. Just check the key works. As you can see, that's okay before I put the handle on. And as I said, with the key you can open the latch as well. Surplus, you don't necessarily need the handle. That's it. Opening and locking.